Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can do cash entry, bank entry in Jainam Software. So, let's have a look. So, from the business summary, go to the dashboard and here you can see I have cash 310661 and the bank balance is 1533. Now I want to create some entries from the ledger and I will go to the opening balance. So let's take the Jainam Bank and I want to add ₹1 lakh opening balance as a debit and just add to the bank. So I have added 10,000 also earlier as on this date only, and that is 1 lakh again. So now I will go and check to the business summary dashboard. So now you can see my bank balance is showing 1,01,533. So now I have added the opening balance. So after that I will go to the accounting option and the cash deposit. I want to select the bank and let's take the cash. I want to deposit cash. Let's take 10,000 and the narration will be deposit as on this date and just save. So I have saved this 10,000 entry. So let's go to the business summary and check the dashboard. So you can see I have deposited 10,000, that the balance will coming 111,533. 1,11,533. Now like this I want to withdraw cash. So I will select the Jainam Bank and let's withdraw 1 lakh from the bank, and the entry, the narration will be withdrawal and as of this date. So I have done withdrawal. So let's go to the business summary and just check the dashboard. So here you can see the bank balance will come now 11,533 and the cash goes 4,661. So cash becomes its 4,661. Now you can check the Daybook also. So just refresh and you can see the cash balance is 4,661 and the bank balance is now 11,533. So this type the Daybook also you can see. So after that go to the journal entry. Here you can create the journal. Let's suppose take a receipt and you have received cash, that is for example 500, and the document charges, let's take a 500, and the narration you can write down the document charges received 500. So we have received cash and we did this journal entry and we made receipt. So go to the business summary dashboard. Here you can see that 500 is added to the cash. Cash amount will now 4,01,161. Now this type the accounting You can create the journal entries, cash withdrawal, cash deposit. You can create the opening balance. You can make entries, and from the business summary, account statement, here you can see the all details. Let's take cash and just refresh. So you can see the account entries that withdrawal is 1 lakh, document charges we have received 500, the 10,000 deposit, cash deposit is 10,000. So, and the balance. So you can see the all details in one click. So if you click to the document charges and just refresh, so you can see we have received 500 document charges. And the other Jainam Bank, you select Jainam Bank and refresh. Here you can see the deposit amount is 10,000 and the withdrawal is 1 lakh. So, and the remaining balance is 11,533. So this type in Jainam Software we can make accounting entries very simple way, and we can manage our business, and we can improve, we can enhance our business, and we can reduce the manual efforts. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.